Hello, I'm David Daggett from Daggett, Shuler Attorneys at Law. We're discussing workers' compensation claims. And a question I'm often asked is, will my employer get my medical records if I file a workers' compensation claim? And that's important because for all of us, we have confidential information in our medical records. We rely on our medical providers to keep that confidence, and we have things that we want to keep confidential. The workers' compensation system is overseen by the North Carolina Industrial Commission. The North Carolina Industrial Commission is who actually approves your medical treatment for your injury when you're hurt at work. Those records from your injury to document your injury, to document your inability to go back to work, to document your permanent disability, to document any future medical expenses you have, or anything else that's relevant to your workers' compensation claim does go to the workers' compensation insurance company, which is also hired by your employer. So yes, that information could be available. However, there's important things to remember. They don't have access to all of your medical records, and they can't force you to provide sensitive medical records that go beyond the scope of the workers' compensation claim. Additionally, anybody who gets your medical records are covered by a law you may have heard of called HIPAA, and that's a privacy act that protects everybody's medical records from disclosure of sensitive information. Now, the good thing about this is experienced lawyers handling your case know how to weave through the medical records to protect your sensitive information, and so that your employer doesn't have a carte blanche right to see all of your medical records or things in there you don't want them to see. Lots of questions come up regarding this issue, and we're happy to answer those. Please feel free to give us a call. We appreciate you joining us, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.